spanner. Australia, New Zealand, Britain, Ireland, a hand tool for adjusting nuts and bolts, a wrench. Rare, one who, or that which, spans. Weaponry, a hand tool shaped like a small crank handle, for winding the spring of a wheel lock on a musket. Obsolete, a device in early steam engines for moving the valves for the alternate admission and shutting off of the steam. Britain, a problem, dilemma, or obstacle, something unexpected or troublesome, in the phrase spanner in the works. Britain, Ireland, mildly derogatory, a stupid or unintelligent person, one prone to making mistakes, especially in language. S P A N N E R Spanner.